Good day, guys. How are you doing today? You are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Phenomenal Peeps. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Click on that subscription button, click on the bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be able to see it. The last story that I upload on my channel, so one guy is telling me that I should do a video on how I took the trade with that strategy. So I took this trade since, and I told you that you should use these strategies on 1 minute time frame. So, but if you want to see a double confirmation, you can use multiple time frame like 5 minute time frame, because you are using 1 minute time frame. Then you can also use 5 minute time frame. But me, I use 5 minute time frame to enter the trade, although I have already do my analysis on higher time frame. So when I see the entry in 5 minute time frame, I just enter my trade, and I have monitored it, so that's why I did not close since morning. Although I'm supposed to close here, but I know that it's still going to go down. It's still going to go down. So this is where I enter my trade. So if you are new on this channel, please watch my previous video on these strategies. So what the previous video, I've already explained how the strategies work well on that video. So I will drop the link on this description. So if you want to watch the previous video, I will drop the link on this description. Check the description to watch the video. So if you have any question, you can message me on WhatsApp. Although I used to be busy, but now I think I'm done with the stuff that I'm doing. So if you want to ask any question, feel free to WhatsApp me. So I told you in that previous video that if you want to enter the trade with these strategies, I told you to use 1 minute time frame. That is the best time frame to use. So, but double confirmation, you can also use 5 minute time frame, because I use this 5 minute time frame to enter this trade. And the reason why I love the 5 minute time frame is that the more time frame that you use, the more how did I put it? So I mean, if you use 1 minute time frame, you know the market will fast, it will long. So, but if you check your 5 minute time frame, so it will short. Then if you check your 15 time frame, it will short more. So the more time that you use, so it will determine the profit that you will make. So that is it. So I choose this market. I choose it in 5 minute time frame. And if you see all the market that I've been placing with these strategies, I close everything in profit. I can show you the results. So you see, so I close everything in what? I close them in profit. So I close them in profit. So that is it. So this strategy is really work. I know there is no. Please put that one in mind. I beg you in the name of God, put that in mind. There is no 100% strategies, because you know that my strategy is really work. So that it doesn't mean that if you place your trade, you must make money. No, please. I'm not saying that you will not make money. What I'm just trying to say is that please test them on your demo account first. Please test them on your demo account at least 1 week. If you can't use for 2 weeks, use 1 week to practice them on your demo account. Then when you practice them on your demo account, go for your live account and make your money. So it's very easy as that. So the condition for take this for use this strategy is that we are using 3 good confirmation. What did I call it? We are using 3 good confirmation. We have 1 confirmation on our main chart. We have 1 confirmation on a stochastic oscillator, and we also have 1 confirmation on our ADX. So if you know that you are not good enough to do your analysis in a higher time frame like 1 hour or H4, you don't know how to draw the trend line, you don't know how to spot support and resistance, you don't know how to draw the zone. So if you know that you're good in that, then use the moving average. That's why we used to upload the strategies on using moving average on this Facebook. So if you want to learn the price action, complete price action, feel free to WhatsApp me. I used to teach people on how to trade without using moving average to trade. You withdraw support and resistance, everything combining the price action. I used to teach people on that. So to short the story short, we are using 3 confirmation to enter the trade. The first confirmation is your main chart. The second confirmation is your stochastic oscillator, while the third confirmation is your ADX. So number 1, if you want to enter your trade, make sure if you want to sell, make sure that this green moving average on our main chart here this green moving average on our main chart, make sure that the market is under it. I mean, if you want to sell, make sure is market the market. All this candle, that's what I mean. What for newbie, if you don't understand the market, what we mean by market is this: all these blue candles and the red candle. That's our market. So make sure that all this market is under the green moving average. So that's the time that you can enter for sale, because this green moving average, it works for the trend. It works for the trend. If the green moving average if the green moving average is above the candle, it's telling you that the market is in downtrend. Then if the green moving average is under the candle, it's telling you that the market is in uptrend. But currently the green moving average is above the candle. It's telling us that the market is in downtrend. So that's the first confirmation. Make sure that the market, the green moving average is above the candles. So then make sure that this green moving average and the blue moving average on this stochastic oscillator. I'm talking about this side. I'm talking about this side. So this stochastic oscillator here, make sure that the green moving average and the blue moving average is around the 80 level. This is 80 levels. Make sure that they are around the 80 levels or it's above the 80 level. If it's above the 80 level, it's good. Then if it's at the 80 levels, on the normal 80 level, is good. And if it's below the 80 level small, it's also good. But if it is 50 levels, please don't enter again. The market is already late. If this stochastic oscillator is around the TP here, at these 50 levels here, don't disturb yourself to enter the trade again. So that is your second confirmation. First confirmation is that make sure that the green moving average is above the candle here. It's above them. So it's telling you that the market is in downtrend. The number two is that make sure that the green and the blue moving average here is around the 80 levels here. So it's telling you that the market is already oversold and the market is going to come down. The third confirmation, which is the last one, is this ADX. Did you understand me? Make sure that the ADX is what? Make sure that the ADX is what? Is above the 24 levels. It's above the 24 levels. The reason why I say that this ADX is above the 24 levels is that sometimes the market will be ranging. This is what is happening here. The market is, let me use this side. The market is ranging here. You see? It's ranging here. But did you notice the ADX is below? The ADX is below the market. So if the ADX is below the market, don't enter. Make sure that the market is above the ADX. But if you know that the market is still going to sell, if you have the mind that the market is still going to sell, you can enter at your own risk. But if you don't do an analysis on a higher time frame, don't enter. So I do my analysis on a higher time frame and know that my market is going to sell more. So that's why I enter. So if the ADX is below the 24 levels, please don't enter. Whether you want to buy or you want to sell, if the ADX is below the 24 levels, don't bother yourself to enter your trade. But if the ADX is above the 24 levels, you can enter your trade. It's telling you that the market is going to buy or sell. Whether you want to buy or you want to sell, make sure that the ADX is above the 24 levels. So that is that is the best signal for what? For sell trade. So for buy trade, this is a clear example for you. I love this. Wow. This is the clear what? Clear. Oh my God. Sorry.
Stu is a social platform that puts the content creators first.
Shut up. So this is a clear example for your for buy trade. Like I said, this is a clear example for buy trade. So if you want to sell and if you want to buy, I've already given you an example for sell trade. For buy trade, if you want to buy, please make sure that the green moving average is below the candles. Is below the candle here. Then the stochastic oscillator, the blue and the black, is what? Is at the 20 levels here. Wow. It's at the 20 levels here. That is second confirmation. And this is what I wrote here, oversold level. So you are ready to buy here. So the third one is that wait for the ADX to come above. Wait for the ADX to do what? To come above the 24 levels. See this entry here for buy trade. This is entry for buy trade. If you write down from here, you will be in the market from here to where? To here. So as I told you, if you want to assist the trade, you will use this stochastic to assist your trade. If this green moving average touch the 80 levels here, that is where you will assist the trade. This strategy is very powerful. It's very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. So the former indicator, the former set on the last video that I upload on this one, I used 1 minute time frame, but later I confirm it on 5 minutes time frame. I see that the 5 minutes time frame is also powerful. It's also powerful. So that's how it works. So for the people that doesn't watch our previous video, let me quickly show you the setup. Please, I won't take it long because I've already shared the indicators settings on our previous video, but I will do that sharply now. So I use in Yoruba language, sharply. So let me quickly show you the settings. So number one setup you are using is a moving average 3. Period 3 shift 0. Method is exponential. So this is the setup, then done. The second moving average is a period 7 shift 0. Simple, close, this color red. So the third moving average is a moving average 60. That's our trend moving average. Shift 0 method is simple, apply to close. I'm using green color. Then the indicator window 1, we are used to stochastic oscillator. Period 1 1 1. Low high simple. Main signal is white because my background is white. If yours background is black, use black. But mine is white. That's why I'm using white. Then levels. Your level is 20, 80, 50. So then done. We are using Ishimoku. So use this setup. Use this setup. Then this is what I'm using for Ishimoku. Done. Remain 2 indicators. We are using moving average. So period 3 shift 0 exponential, previous indicator data, then done. The last one is ADX, average directional movement index. I love this one. It will give you your entry, so it won't let you to enter the wrong trade. That's why I love this ADX. So this is the setup. Period 14, blah blah blah. So done. So that is how it works, guys. Please test it on your demo account and see the result. You see my market is still going down. This is where I entered. So you see, I love these strategies. I love it. You see my entry. Wow, I love these strategies, man. I know it's going to come down, and I'm going to assist at this zone. This is where I'm going to assist. When the market will reach here, I will assist the trade. So that's how it works, guys. See you in the next video. I love you guys.